Remove the welding torch dust cap. Install the torch nozzle. Install and tighten the fixing screw. Remove the screw from the conduit bracket and align the bracket with the gun screw holes. Secure with the mounting screw. Do not fully tighten yet. Install the contact tip. Insert and tighten securely. Thread it to the bracket. Ensure the nozzle fits flush against the contact tip. Tighten the bottom screw of the conduit bracket. Snap the conduit into the bottom latch of the gun. Tighten the screw connecting the bracket to the gun. Welding gun installation complete. Connect the safety interlock. Clip the other end to the workpiece.